Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to the channel. My name is Lora Lea and this is Treasure on Paper. We do glue books here and today we're going to get into our all seasons fall edition. This is episode 3, so if you haven't seen the other 2, I recommend checking them out. All right, what are we expecting today? We're going to add a card, we're going to add some trash, we're going to add some vibes. How about, let me show you this. What about a wax melt container cover? Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It is vanilla French toast. Yes, please. Anywho, we're going to add that. We're going to have a lot of fun. So sit back, enjoy, and say hello in the comments. All right. I have a bunch of larger things I wanted to add. I also have some pages that are already marked with goodies. So let me go, maybe I should go right to that first. Then we'll add these other things. This is definitely going to be a tip-in, and then I'll be able to add some goodies back here. I've been wanting to, let's see, look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, are we in the screen? We are not in the screen. Okay, now, I believe I would want to put this here, and right? Nah, I think that looks best. What do you guys think? We're all glued in here. That's beautiful. I for sure would like to add this here. All set season. I also have a couple other things that could be fun. I have this thanks card. This came in the mail from King Size Magazine for my honey. I love this. This is the front of a coloring book. You know what? Maybe it's better over here. I never do a tip-in like that. I could totally do that. There we go. We've added that. I have all of this room. You know what? This might work perfect. How about a washi tape? I think I'm going to pick this one. I'll go ahead and add that to the top. There we go. We're going to go ahead and glue this in here. Hopefully that'll stay on the edge nice. And that's a cute little crossword that has to do with Thanksgiving. Let me smooth it from this side. Yay! Yes, yes, yes. I absolutely adore these. I wanted to add a bunch of pumpkins. I'm not sure about this one. Let me hold that one off to the side. So I have these. If I did that, we could do it like this. I might save these for next year. Like this one I sort of like. I could put that one right up front. I have this little paper that could be nice like on the back of here. And it is a Know Your Pumpkins. This is cute, but it is more trick-or-treatish. That one is definitely for more fall. I might glue this on the back of a, what do you call it? A little piece of, what is this called? I don't remember what this is called. Construction paper. All right, I'm going to do that. And then I believe on the back of this, I do have some, oh, do you guys remember this? And I was like, what am I going to do with that? I might cut each one of these out and just stick them down here. So I'll be back. I'm going to glue down the big parts. I'm going to put this on here, sort of trim it around. Maybe not even trim it. And we can make that a little tip-in, and we can put something on the back. And then this will be a tip-in on this side. This is what I did with all of these. I went crazy off camera, and it's just because I don't know why. But here is my little spread of pumpkins. Got the pumpkin patch. I used a white marker to do some little stitches there and some crazy stuff. I added words here. I added, this was a window cling, and then it wasn't bright enough, like that, not bright enough. I just added orange marker on top of that, but I needed to do multiple coats. This was a little pumpkin I added. Over here, I just added some words. On the front of this, I did attach this to the brown construction paper. Just decorated it a little bit. And then on the inside, look how cute this little squirrel napkin is. Oh my goodness. And then a sweater. I think that's a chestnut. An acorn? I have no idea. And some kind of a pie. Look on the back of here. We have the color swatches for fall. And a sticker with a turkey and a pumpkin. And then all these different pumpkins. We have munchkins. Yaradale, Howden, Lumina, and We Be Little. And a little sticker up here, drink coffee outdoors. Just added some, just added some green paper back here. And so that these would, like, be able to be seen easier. Made it a tip-in. We have a double tip-in. Oh yeah. All right, let's keep going and see what else I have. That took a long time. You guys don't even know. I would like to add something there. We can come back to that. We could even come back to it next year. So I have some space for some littles. We're just going to keep on going. All right, I have a coloring page. We have some delicious looking food. And oh, that goes with that. Okay. Oh, maybe this would be a great place to put this. We can layer this up a little bit. I have some corduroy, guys. And some flannel. Gotta have the flannel. We have this. Guys, we have sweaters. We have robes. Oh, look at those. Okay. I mean, that's cozy right there. We could do the pants down here. Oh, it's sort of fun. Turkey. We could keep this right here. We have the little drink. Oh, I have the word corduroy pants. That is totally fall to me. Warmth without overheating. Yes, please. But I don't want that with the food. I'm talking about mystery merriment. Oh, almanac. Oh, yeah. I like that. Almanac. Thanksgiving corduroy pants. Could do a coffee right there to cover up some of the words. How about that, guys? I'm going to go ahead and glue that all in, and we'll be right back. Here we go. So I added all of the little goodies that I said I would. I ended up putting the coffee over here. I have to have the flannel shirts in memory of my dad, who always loved a good flannel shirt. Oh my goodness. Oh, rest in peace. By the way, during Thanksgiving, I'm going to be releasing a video that I made the Thanksgiving before he passed, and it's just a fun compilation of things that we all did and spending time with him. It's really cute. I hope that you may tune into it and see what we were up to back then. So many of you had reached out and commented and was always so supportive during that time for us, and we really appreciate you, and I thought this would be a great year to share that. Then over here, I ended up adding this gorgeous ribbon, and it had the sticky part on the back. So I only released the sticky on these two little sections so that I could make a little spot to tuck things in. Let's keep going. I'm not sure how much we're gonna do after this. I could possibly do it like that. Could always do it like that. I have this cute little bag I made out of trash. Sort of covers that up though. I think I really want to glue that to a page. I wanted to glue this down. This is the cover to a Sensationals Vanilla French Toast. Cinnamon, almonds, and creamed sugar. What do you call those? The little cubes, the little wax melts. Yeah, that's nice. Could do something like that and add some smaller things in. This cute little cozy season thing here, a little image of a house. We have some more pumpkin pie. I really do want to get these robes in at some point, but it might not happen today. I've had this for some time. It's some kind of a cake somebody made with all the little forest creatures. Ooh, we have, I want to do this sometime. Have you guys tried this where you boil the citrus and cinnamon and all that kind of stuff, the clove? I would like to try that out one time. Ooh, I could do that. Ooh, I sort of like that better. I would love some warmth without overheating. You know, you want to be cozy, but not, what do you call it? Sweating. Oh man, what is she doing so close? What's happening? Guys, I'm just popping in real quick to tell you, if you watch my video, which you're doing right now, if you subscribe to the video, like the video, comment, if you are a member, I wanted to send you out special thanks. Thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. You make me smile. I appreciate every single one of you. I really, really do. You mean the world to me. And just for spending a little bit of time with me, you're the best. Hugs. Oh my goodness. And special love. And I'm hyping you guys up because you're awesome. Anywho, we're going to get right back into the video, but I truly mean it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I'm coming in. I'm coming in closer. I'm coming in. You guys are like, don't do that ever. Don't. Okay. All right. Bye. Bye. Wrapped up. How about this goes over here? And then this could be here, wrapped up. Do that down there. Oh, I think that looks like fun. All kinds of mushrooms. Throw some acorns down. That over there. That could be fun. I'm going to go ahead and get that all glued down. I'll be right back. Here we go. What do you guys think about that? I think that's fun. That turned out very cool. No pun intended. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and there's lots more to put in here. I mean, look at the pages. We have some blank ones. I have a bunch of Thanksgiving things, so I'm going to try to make another one of these videos next week so that we can at least put these things in, and maybe that will be the last video for the fall portion. And then once it gets into wintertime, we'll move ahead into our winter. I already have things set aside. All right, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the hype button if you'd like to spend your hypes on me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye. What are you doing here? Go. The video's over. Do you want more? Okay, check out this next short clip. It's an alternate intro that didn't make it because it's cringy. All right, I hope you enjoy. And then after that, really, it's all done. Okay, bye. Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to the channel. My name is Lora Lea and this is Treasure on Paper. We do glue books here, and today is our all seasons fall edition glue book episode, and we have 3. This is our 3rd one, so if you haven't seen the other 2, go check them out. I have a playlist called All Seasons Glue Book. Anywho, I thought let's start this video by standing up, getting some oxygen flowing. I feel like I was back in preschool teaching, like, okay, we're going to start our day moving. Let's do it. Anywho, I thought maybe it'll help with my memory. Maybe it'll help with the flow of this video, okay? Get a little bit of cozy season vibes going on. Cozy season, cozy. Okay, it's cuckoo. All right, let's get into it.